Hey guys, this is KZ ESX Special Edition wired earphones, and it has a 12 mm dynamic bass earbuds. So guys, as you can see, it has a premium packaging, and when you open it up, you should be able to see here the wire, and now it has a premium feel as well. And over here, you should be able to see the manual or thanks letter. And now, as you can see, you should be able to see here some extra buds so you can have the right fitting for your ear, and you will have this coin. I don't know what's the purpose of that. And from here, when you touch the earbuds, it has a premium quality, and it is heavier than I expected. Just simply connect them and you should be able to enjoy the earbuds. So guys, overall, the KZESX Special Edition Wired is a very durable earbuds, and it has an amazing sound quality, and for its price it is a really good value. And there you go. See ya.